Hello, hello. Welcome to week 9. So, congratulations. You guys are halfway through. I hope you're excited. This week, you're going to start some important topics, confidence intervals. And you'll hear when I speak in my webinar as well that I kind of touch on uh, the fact that you're going to be seeing confidence intervals pretty much not only confidence intervals, but some of the topics that you're going to see here, you're going to be dealing with confidence intervals and hypothesis testing from week 9 to week 14. So it's really important to get and understand like all the pieces. Now you're going to find a lot of pieces initially, but it's not that bad. But it will be very important for you to kind of like hone in and understand the little pieces because you're going to be seeing more of this. So pretty much weeks 9 through 14 are all confidence intervals and hypothesis testing for 3 conditions. And I'll send a lot of announcements on that. Check your announcements, check your resources, watch the webinars, because I'm really gonna try to like repeat. Okay, you'll hear some repetition about these topics. And this week, you guys have another project part, which is an extra credit assignment, which consists of project parts 1 through 3. So it is a great opportunity to basically finish almost half of your project for extra credit and feedback. I do share a video also discussing what the requirements are. I might be able to do it in my webinar if I have time as well, but I did speak on project part 1, 2, and 3 in those corresponding webinars as well. So you got resources. You could do this. Get those project part 4s in because that's a great opportunity for extra credit, which some of you might want and need. Anyway, I'm here for you. I'll see you tonight at the webinar. Not tonight. Well, it depends where you are. It's tonight for me. 3 p.m. Mountain Time this term. All right. Bye.